Hello 3A and 3B students, welcome back to Science Lesson. Well, in the previous video, we were talking about the parts of the plants and also about the unhealthy and healthy plants. Okay, do you still remember, does this plant look healthy or unhealthy? Yeah, why we can say that it's unhealthy? Well, let's take a look at its stem and leaves. They are wilted. Why this plant can be like this? So, in today's video, we are going to learn what do plants need to stay healthy and grow. Can you guess what is it? Yeah, the plants needs water. Water is very important for the plant in order to live. Just like any other living things, the plants cannot live without the water. If the plants do not get enough water, the plant will wilt. Here is the illustration on how the wilted plant become fresh again when they get water. So it is very important to take care of the plants by giving water regularly. Okay, the second things that the plant needs to be able to live and to grow well is, yes, sunlight. Here we have two potted plants. Can you guess which one grows with enough sunlight? Yeah, the green one. And we also have the yellowish potted plants which grow with the less amount of sunlight. Well, sunlight, it is also very important in food making for the plant. Alright, Miss, so what will happen if the plants do not get enough sunlight? The plant cannot make food and they will grow thin and weak, and also the color turn into yellowish. Okay. Now, let's see one of the video about experimenting plant with the presence of light and without light. Great! You can also try it in your house if you want to. Well, now, let's review what we have learned today. So, we have known that all plants need light and water in order to grow and keep their stems and leaves healthy. Okay, now the last one, I want you to think about it. Later, during Zoom meeting, I want you to give your opinion about this topic. Could plants ever grow on the moon? And why? Okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye!